We should be back live here. Welcome back to this morning session. Just gonna follow the system straight to the point. You know me always. If I see a bounce back and a close above, but no second or third close, and I start seeing a fallback reversal, I always like to short. This is a perfect setup for me. This is a perfect setup, perfect day for me. Why? We have a big push from 24,000 back to 24,380. No close above 400. Previous day's highs is higher than overnight highs. There's no push above in the opening. There's a sell-off and then a push back. This is a short for me, where I'm gonna have my stop loss above here and then target previous day's lows. Risk to reward is 3 times risk, actually 5 times. Everything is matching my criteria for a short. Again, I'm not saying go short randomly. I'm not saying this is the time. I'm just letting you know that this is what I'm preparing myself for mentally. So, no more updates. This is the final version of the software. So make sure you delete it, update it. We don't do any more updates. We're done for now. I'm just gonna use it. It's amazing. We finally done. It took forever, but it's super great, super nice. So make sure if you're using Vantage, you should guide in the Telegram. It is one of the best platforms. It's one of the world's biggest platforms. It's really great. I mean, it's safe and it's a great brand. But custom here, and then on the orb, choosing the instrument. This is the settings we have on Vantage. But we're keeping it pretty simple here. I want to short it. Just letting you know that I really want to short this market. Again, nothing has to be perfect. It can break out, it could rally, it could go crazy, it could do whatever it wants to do. My 2 systems here is looking for setups 15 minutes after on the SR fallback and 15 minutes after on the instant orb. Okay, so we're gonna have a setup in 10-15 minutes. Just tuning in here with you before time. Basically, everything is matching what I see right now. I mean, the most important for me is UK is doing the opposite. So if UK is weak, as we see it is, I mean, it's breaking below. It's showing weak signs, is on its way back to here. Maybe back to just around previous day's highs for last session. This is today's, I mean, this is Friday highs and this is Thursday, right? But if it breaks below and it starts selling off, I mean, we also getting the confirmation as well on NASDAQ, then everything looks good. Be careful because we have a break, we have a structure that we used to see on the NASDAQ where things is just going up. But I think it's in the next 5 minutes it's gonna sell off and then probably break below. Below 450, I think it could start selling off. I think before market opening, I think we're going to see a correction in the NASDAQ. That's what I see. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I think the market's going to correct itself again. I don't have any open positions. So focusing here on DAX. This looks like my favorite setup with no close above. Just touching overnight. It looks like a perfect short, just to be honest. But I'm also aware of that this market could go to 500. It could rally 150 points DAX, easy. So I'm also aware of that, and I'm just gonna inform you about the potential risk that we might face of entering a short position. So we should have the stop loss that's going to be given and not risk more than what we're allowing ourselves to, okay? So custom SL 1 points, 40 points, 80 points. Once we take profit, we take profit at 80 points and 150 points. I'll just take 50% of the profits, probably half of the way down. Once I have met a 2 risk to reward. You know me, I'm a scalper. I go in, I want to take it all the way back, nothing wrong with that, and then I take 50 points, 20 points, whatever, 100 points sometimes. So UK is pushing, is turning around. Market is pushing to new highs, probably. Let's see. Pretty strong candle moving up here. Okay, I'm only sharing my own screen. Sorry guys. Here we go. Sorry for that. I'm glad you texted me. That's super nice of you. So now we should see everything. So I can go over it again. I mean, I just tuned in a little bit early today. We don't have any structure and we don't have any break above overnight highs. We don't have any break above previous day's highs. It's matching my favorite setup where I feel most confident of taking a short back to previous day's lows. I'm also aware of it could rally to 500, so I will have a stop loss 40 points. And again, I mean, you was watching my face only, I get it. But we haven't even begun yet, okay? So I mean, we always start 15 minutes over. So this is just like a little bit tuning in before time, mindset preparation, overall pre-market plan. What I think, I mean, UK it's looking weak, NASDAQ start getting rejected here. DAX also start showing some weakness. I would personally like to take a short now and then place my stop loss above. I'm gonna go for a short now. And you can also see right here, my system is so quick. First target is here and second target is here. So I just opened my short position at 355. Okay, just letting you know that just opened short. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm short here at 359. First target 260, second target 150. I mean, overall 150 points. Yeah. I mean, it's interesting. It's interesting to see what today is gonna bring. Overall. But again, it gave me a short and a short. Okay, here at 49, I went in at 59, something like that. You can see it on the Vantage one, the mirror tree again. Again, this doesn't have to work. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm not a perfect person. I don't try to. I try to do my best. That's it. Nothing else. So if it sells off, it's amazing. If not, we could just live with this, okay? Let's see. Are we gonna have a sell-off? I mean, it looks weak for NASDAQ. I mean, I like this setup here today, guys. Yeah, I mean, everything just looks good for me. It's also giving me the right setup. I should just add very heavy to it, if you ask me. So everything is basically matching my criteria. It's a short. It's even pointing it out itself. I mean, why should we have our stop loss? I think they could try to push things to 400 before they're gonna turn. I think the smartest move today is to take it back to here and exit 50% and then exit the rest, and then have a stop loss above 425, something like that. I mean, we can also have a too tight stop loss, I think, because they could push the market. I mean, if they push the market 100 points or 50 points, that's not much. It's like 0.01%, 0.02%. It's like nothing. That can easily push 1%, 2%, 3%, 0.5%. That's like very realistic. You see sometimes stocks pushing 5-10%. So I mean 5%, that will be insane. But it's not gonna push 5% up. But it could push to here and here, okay? Just letting you know. I'm just informing you, just trying to be sweet, nothing else. So, we short, guys. I think you are aware of that. We have an SR short that's confirmed. I mean, it's not really making any money. I mean, it's okay, but it's not perfect. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Yeah, I mean SL2 would be good. That we don't have any fake outs. I mean 45, that's 426, right? Yeah. 426. And the entry is 59. That's my entry on the Miro trading account. No, 55, sorry guys. Again, you could just go in and look at it yourself. I'm not manipulating anything. Let's see. It's slow. It's very slow. I mean, it's not really doing anything. I would like to add to this short here if it starts selling off. So it's a classic example here. Now we're getting a long. I'm not gonna take that, so I'm gonna hide that one. Still keeping this short. Nothing have changed. Still short. Once I get the first sign, the first kind of like signal for myself, I'm keeping that. So if I'm in and I decided I want to go short based on that, I could also have hold the cash and wait for a long. Nothing wrong with that. If I have to go long, I want to see it's going to close above 425, the third candle. Now it looks like a short still to me. I'm thinking about adding to this short here, okay? Let's see. Not much progress. UK moving back a bit. DAX looks like they want to push out a couple of people. I'm not gonna get pushed out here. Let's see. But market is moving up today, so I have to accept the risk. 500. It looks like it's gonna move up 10-15 points more before it's gonna turn. Let's see. Let's have a strong push here. I'm not adding yet. I'm gonna wait for it to rally to stop loss 1. staying in light. Still want to take it all the way back, just letting you know. They're probably pushing it 10 more points, I think. Let's see. I was thinking about risking a couple of percentage on this trade here. And I think it's still okay. Let's see. I mean, these is not true. I mean, I'm not in with 2 contracts. It's just an example, okay? Let's see if this is gonna turn around. Still short, around 20 points down from my entry, a little bit more, 10 points, yeah, let's see. So I wanna hold it all the way back. For now. Thinking about adding to my short. Why do I say that in the middle of everything? Based on this, okay. UK looks weak. I mean, it's not really breaking highs. It keeps selling off. It keeps showing weakness. Let's see if it's gonna break below here. If not, no worries. Everything will be fine. I think DAX could do its own job. We are above previous day's high soon. Interesting. This is candle number 4, right? Yeah. Not much progress, to be honest. Do I think it can sell off? I still think so. But I still think it could go 15 points higher and then probably take some stop losses. I think it's a smart stop loss around here. But again, it doesn't have to be right. Not much progress, to be honest. Let's see, go up here please and then turn, then we can add to it. I'm ready to add to this one here. I see a pretty good risk to reward case here. But again, it could also rally easily. Should I really add to it here? Slow, very slow. Not doing anything at all. Nothing happens here. Nothing happens. Could also be different today. That things is not gonna do what we want it to do. The market don't care about our thoughts, our hope, our trades. They don't care at all. Okay? I want it to turn now, but I also want it to go up and then turn. Above 400, we should close it, because then it could potentially rally like crazy. Thinking about adding to this one here. Let's see. I really want to add to this short, guys. And there's nothing wrong with that. Like, we should just have balls, do it, and then don't focus more on it. Then add, and then take it all the way back to previous day's lows. That's it. Nothing else. UK, choppy, looks like it's pointing up. Nasdaq, choppy, not doing much. I mean, that's a sign. DAX. I mean, DAX is 10 points above, 15 points above our entry. I'm down 3,000 euro right now. 4,000, yeah. Let's see. Boring, man. But there's no close above previous day's highs for now. There's no close above the 400. And we are over 30 minutes now. 24 minutes, sorry. It's just I don't want to add to something that's not working. That's just me. So, I mean, if it's pushing like crazy, I want to add. But if it's doing nothing like this, I don't want to add. I want to add if it starts selling off, right? Still think it can rally 10 more points, at least. But again, it could also rally to 400, 500. It could continue. Have to respect this market. That's why I'm staying in pretty light. I mean, it's not light, but I mean, if it goes up, I can afford to take a loss. But I cannot afford to take a loss if I go in crazy heavy and I lose a couple of 100K, because it could rally to 500 and it could rally to 450. And then if I'm in with a couple of thousand contracts, that's why I'm not doing it. That's why I have a high win rate and I'm probably making money today. Even 90% is losing. I mean, let's see. Because I'm adding, or I mean taking off. Let's see. Looks like it's pushing here. Closing above. Should also just accept sometimes not only being right. That's hard for me. No, it's not at all. There's no turn, there's no progress. It just looks strong. And I think it's gonna push to 400 or maybe 420. It's gonna do what you don't want it to do. It's trading against you, remember that. So if you don't want it to push, it's gonna push, and then right when you get stopped out, it's gonna turn. What can you do? Stay in light, don't add. That's it. So if you're in very heavy now, hold it. Stop loss, target, don't add, wait. Because things is actually pushing up. It's not doing anything at all. It's not doing anything. Either it's gonna wait for it to push or wait for the 30-minute bar to point out the direction. no really progress. It's a very weak setup. Very weak. I mean, I don't know what's going on. It's so slow. Again, it's gonna do the unexpected, so prepare for that mentally. It's gonna push up before it's gonna dump, or it's gonna sell off when you're not in, or when you're in light, it's gonna sell off. So don't do anything. Okay, we don't know if it's gonna go up. We don't know if it's gonna go down. This is just based on Nasdaq. That we might see getting rejected here at 500. It's based on UK. That's not doing anything. DAX, I mean, it's tough. I mean, it's not tough, but it's just hard to predict. It's extremely hard to predict. So, I mean, I'm staying in short. Yes, I would like to add to it. And also remember, if this push above my stop loss and rally crazy, I'm still fine. Still everything is good. And then I might just add to it crazy, and then it comes back here and I'm up 100K. I'm probably gonna get stopped out here because that's why I have paid my stop loss on my private mirror trading account, but also my company account. But I'm just letting you know that I'm not in too heavy. So if things goes all wrong, I'm fine. I don't have to do any crazy trades after. I want these trades to play out and target my my TP1, TP2, previous day's lows. Here we go. Market is pushing and pushing, and I mean, it looks good. But we didn't manage to close above, guys. 30 minutes over. It did not close above the stop loss. It did not close above stop loss 2. That's a good sign for the short. So we 30 minutes over. I mean, it's strong. It's pushing, correct. We in minus, but I mean, there's no close above round numbers. Let's see here. Let's see if it's going to turn here. It's hard because I have no clue where the market's going to go. Right now it just looks like it's going to go up. So just have to accept that one. It's very strong. The candle is strong. It have to turn now if I have to believe so. It's weird. It's very weird. With 30 minutes, after 30 minutes, could we see a rally? Yes, we could, to both sides. It could go up, it could go down, it could do what it wants to do. Right now it's pushing one way, and this looks like a strong momentum trend that's pointing to the roof. So that's not looking good. But Nasdaq, everything basically looks weak here. I mean, I'm thinking about moving my stop loss, even if, well, let's see. I'm also letting you know, once I'm wrong, you could have your opinions, you could have your meanings, I don't care. I also want to let you know, on my business account, on my other trading accounts, my stop loss is a little bit wider than you see here, okay? Just letting you know, being transparent, not telling you to do it, just letting you know. That's also the reason why I'm making a lot of money, because I'm normally not getting stopped out, and I'm just adding once I'm seeing I'm right. Everyone is getting stopped out probably here. I don't know, other traders, not our trader, not you. I'll stop losses here, but once I start seeing selling pressure, I'm probably gonna do 1,000 contracts short here. Then if it goes down here, I'm up 200k. Then the next 10 days, if I lose 20k live, right, I was down 5-6k. It doesn't matter. I have 10 times more profit. So that's what I mean. Once I'm really right, and at doing what I wanted to do, make a fortune. Once I'm wrong, stay in light, and I'm just like, okay, this is not working. It's a headache, right? You see what I mean? That's my point. That's probably why I made a lot of money in trading, because I'm just like, once I'm right, I'm making big money. I think that's the answer, to just be honest with you. Okay? It's just to be honest. Just to be honest, nothing else. That's probably why I'm making a lot of money this year. Just trading, nothing else. Because I see once I'm really right, then I basically have covered 50 losses or something like that. Will this do something, or will it just be like an idiot? I mean, it's doing nothing. It's so horrible. I mean, it did exactly what I expected. I have my stop loss as stop loss T, 2. I mean, there's nothing wrong with this trade. It's just not doing anything. I mean, I'm following my game plan. I'm following my system. I'm staying detached. I'm having the right size on. Took the trade. I mean, it's just not going anywhere. I think it could come now. Let's see. Hope so. Looks like it's a good short. Come on, dump. You should dump, my friend. Go down. Don't be tricky. Sell off. Come on. UK doing it. UK is doing the work. This is UK. I think it's doing a little bit of the work. Let's see NASDAQ. I want to have confirmation on both sides. NASDAQ, sure. Looks like we have to maybe close it and call the scalp session. Let's see. NASDAQ is tanking. Market is selling off. Not in profit yet. It could be nice if it goes to just 250, 260. Come on, sell off. No, doesn't seem to. Why are you not dumping? Sell off. It's not doing anything. It's just being choppy. I mean, it's a Christmas market. I don't want to be greedy. I want to walk away. $5,000-$10,000. I'm out. Come on. Nope. It's not doing anything. It's pushing again. Wow. It's going probably all the way back now. All the way back to TP. Yeah, we shouldn't have been greedy. We should probably have closed around break even. That's how it is sometimes. We're greedy. But again, the right setup is still holding it, take it down, not scalping and taking profit. I mean, we could do that, but it's just not the right thing to do if we want to make a good trade, a good risk reward. So, I mean, still looks like a good setup. Still looks like an okay setup. Come on, do something. I just wanted to go below 300. Mm. Looks like a similar setup where things is just pushing back. But UK, I mean, UK is still weak. I mean, UK still looks like it's pointing down. We have an SR short also. I mean, it should fucking sell off. Sorry my language, guys. I just don't know what's going on. Do we have a short on the FTSE? No. Come on, sell off. But also want to follow my own principles of not being greedy and do things correctly every day. I know my edge. I know why I have made money. Not because of trying to predict, but trying to not be greedy. In and out, done. That's how I made a fortune, okay? And not holding it like I did on Friday. I was trading for myself on Friday. I think it was down like 900k DKK for no reason. Right, so I have to be very disciplined this week here. Still not doing anything. Headache. Come on, sell off, do something. Nope, it just looks like it's pushing again here. Just looks like it's pushing. Should I have just taken the trade and closed it here? I mean, I could, yes, but I mean, then it's like, what about next day? And next day, I have to hold some of the trades. Else we're not going to be able to make any money, guys, if I'm not holding the trades. So nothing wrong really here. Still short. Come on. I hate these markets. It's just there's no progress. There's no progress at all. It's living its own life. It's living its own life. With no progress. Come on. Dump. I think the stop loss still would work at 428 and still target. I mean, we could probably also track it below. If we were insane, we do this with 4.9 risk to reward. I mean, we could. I have nothing against that. I just only think it's going to go back to 180 based on previous patterns. I think it's going to push as we saw, go back to 189, so maybe 190, 200. I think the right setup is still, guys, target 150, close 50%, close the rest there. I mean, let's don't be stupid, let's don't be greedy. I mean, there's no reason to be greedy. I mean, what the fuck? I don't know. I don't know. Interesting. How is the other markets doing? I mean, if I was market makers, if I was a hedge fund, institutional investor, I would probably try to push it before turning it. That's just me. I don't think they could do that. Maybe they could. This is my setup, guys. Exit half here, exit the rest here. I don't have much more to do than just sitting here. I want to let you know I'm still holding the short on my company account. I haven't been added to it. I'm not adding any. I haven't been adding anything. I closed it on the Miro trading account, so it's closed on the Miro trading account. Don't have any positions open at all on that account. All cash. Only have this light position on my company account where I'm in minus, 2,100, a little minus. So holding that one. Stop loss here. Target down here. Half exit. I'm not doing anything really. I think I'm done now. I think it's gonna work out. I think it could be a beautiful setup. I'm still predicting this is gonna sell off. So I'll see you later. I think there's nothing wrong with the trade. Just let it play out and have patience. That's it. I don't know why it keeps switching screens. It keeps switching from my face till the trading charts. But I just want to let you know that my Miro trading account, I've closed the trade and I have my trade open on my live account, my company account, okay? For all real money. But there's nothing wrong with it. Let it play out. I'll see you later.